Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophical works was written by a man in chains, waiting to die? In 524 AD, Boethius had everything. He was Rome's most respected senator, a brilliant philosopher, and incredibly wealthy. Then King Theodoric accused him of treason. It was a lie, but it didn't matter. Stripped of his fortune and family, Boethius was thrown into a tower in Pavia. He knew he would die soon. Most men would have broken, but Boethius did something extraordinary. Chained in his dark cell, he began writing. He created imaginary conversations with Lady Philosophy herself, exploring how to find meaning in the worst suffering. Day after day, he wrote what would become the Consolation of Philosophy. Just days after finishing his masterwork, he was tortured and executed, but his words lived on. For over 1,500 years, his book has guided people through their darkest moments, proving that our circumstances don't define us, our response does.